Want to create jaw-dropping AI images without spending a dime? In this quick tutorial, I'll show step-by-step how to make stunning AI art using completely free tools. Whether you're a content creator, digital artist, or just curious, this guide is for beginners. Let's jump in. Here's what you'll learn in this video. How to use free AI image generators, tips to write better prompts, best free sites, plus how to upscale and download in HD. First up, Craiyon. Fast, browser-based, no login required. Type a description, click draw, and the AI creates images in seconds. Craiyon gives quick, fun results. Great for concepts, memes, or rapid brainstorming. Tip: start simple, then refine. Use a short example prompt like portrait of a lion wearing a crown, hyper-realistic. Download the best results for the next step, upscaling. Next, Playground AI. Free tier, more controls, styles, sizes, and prompt modifiers for refined results. It's ideal when you want more polished or professional images. Use style presets and size controls to dial in the look. You get a daily quota of free generations, great for testing ideas. Prompt formula: subject plus style, mood, environment, lighting. Include style and mood. For example, hyper-realistic, regal. Example: portrait of a lion wearing a crown, hyper-realistic, golden hour lighting. For ideas, check Promptero or lexica.art. To make your images high quality, use upscalers like Let's Enhance. Choose a preset like Smart Enhance or Photo. Start processing. It's fast. Upscale.media is another free option for quick 2x 4x upscales. Tip: export as PNG for best quality, especially for print. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments what you'll create next. Want a part 2 on mobile apps or video AI? Let me know below. Thanks for watching.